where despite what Havertz brings, especially off the ball, Smith-rowe edges it for me and rebalances us. What is Smith-rowe's best quality? The thing that sets him apart from everyone else? His ball carrying. Jamie Carragher, over 2 years ago now, said he's one of the best ball carriers in the league. At 20, could be part of solving problem 1, which we laid out earlier. If Arteta wants to continue with these massive distances we have at the moment, then we need someone who's willing to take the ball early, turn, and drive with it. Smith-rowe is about the only player in our squad who has the on-ball personality to do that, and the ability to receive on the half-turn in a block further up. Odegaard...
Really? So why didn't he do that yesterday? Why didn't he do that yesterday? Oh, because he can spin on the half turn. Is he a Beyblade, bro? Is he a I don't care about the half turn, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? I don't care about this bucaria. This is what I'm saying. These men think they got there's internal players that can be the solution and the missing cog. These men told me the same thing about that flipping zoo German giraffe Kai Havertz Filuda Puta, the German Doctor Who. I'm not hearing none of it, bro. Emil Smith-rowe, it's all great running at defenders, bro. But what about your final ball? ESR's final ball yesterday was rubbish. And more time, he wasn't even taking on his players. He was passing, he was going back to back, bro. Back to back, like a diss track from flipping Drake to Pusha T. Eu tô cansado dessa pucaria. Não vem aqui a falar pucaria, porque eu não tô aqui pra torar nenhuma pucaria, bro. At the end of the day, you can run around as a footballer, yeah? But you still need to have end product in terms of your passing or your finishing, bro. There's a reason why Usain Bolt didn't make it as a footballer, bro. It's not about running around. Yeah, it's not about running around. And we've got another runner in the flipping team, yeah, in Ketia, with his body built looking like Mo Farah. Do you know what I'm saying? Looking like the Nigerian Mo Farah, bro. Ultimately, he's in front of goal. He ain't good enough. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? Man talking about, oh, but he can run at defense. I don't care, bro. Traore could run at defenders. But as soon as he got in front of goal, where was the attacking... Where was the ice cold vein, yeah, and the composure in front of goal to score the goal? Where was it? Nowhere. So don't talk to me about runners, bro. Man, talk about runners, bro. I ain't a trap star, bro. I ain't nines. You know what I'm saying? Man, talking about runners, bro. I don't need runners. I don't need... What were we talking about? Are we in a trap? Is this Narcos? Man, talking about runners. Oh, he's good at running at players. Bro, first of all, we weren't even running at players. Second of all, his final pass stinks, bro. You know what I'm saying? But because he's got low socks and wearing Predators or whatever. Oh, look at his boots. Look at his boots. Finish that puta. You know what I mean? These men, the way these men are watching, I'm telling you, these top gooners are we watching more man than flipping John Lennon. Bro, I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. You know what I'm saying? Nah, man, these top gooners watching more man than George Michael. Talk cansado desse filho da puta, bro. Do you know what I mean? Nah, I don't care. You know what I mean? All these top gooners. Oh, ESI can do something. Look at his legs. Is this RuPaul's Drag Race? I don't care about looking at man's legs, bro. I care about ballers. So filho da puta. Looking at man's legs. You know what I mean? Is this, bro, these man watching more man than flipping Elton John, bro. I don't care about these filhos da puta, bro. Is he actually a baller? What did he do yesterday? Nothing. Nothing. He created nothing, ESR. What are you chatting about? I don't care anymore. Do you know what I'm saying? Nah, man. Flipping, I'm sick and tired of these top gooners talking absolute rubbish. And this guy, bro, I'm like talking.
I'd like to see him at right 8, with Odegaard swapped over to the left for 3 reasons. 1, I think it would suit Odegaard with those slip balls to Martinelli, combining a higher touch facilitator with a lower touch mover, and vice versa on the other side. And with Odegaard in a freer role this season anyway, I think he'd adapt well. 2, the cooperative superiority and relationship Saka and Smith-rowe already have could work wonders for us on that right-hand side. Again, combining high touch and low touch players, especially with
high touch and low touch players. What are we talking about? High touch and low touch. What are we talking about? You know, what are we talking about here? This is what I'm saying, bro. These man, yeah, set up a channel, start talking, yeah, like they're on the BBC News, like they're giving up the BBC weather, yeah, and they think that all of a sudden these men are masterminds, bro. I don't care, bro. What is this guy chatting about, bro? Where did we see the link-up play between ESR, yeah, and Saka yesterday? Where did we see ESR running at defenders yesterday? When did we see ESR, yeah, with the final ball in the half yesterday? When did we see ESR, yeah, ripping apart the defense with his amazing, mazy runs yesterday? No, I don't care about Numa Pucaria, bro. This man chatting rubbish, bro. Chatting rubbish.
With White at the minute making less of those facilitative runs, although he is showing signs of improvement. Smith-rowe side on the overlap to offer Saka more room. Go back to that West Brom goal and you'll
Bro, I don't care what this flipping Emirates Sam Smith is talking about.
runs, although he is showing signs of improvement. Smith-rowe can side on the overlap to offer Saka more room. Go back to that.
I don't care what this Sam Smith looking like, filo da puta from the Emirates. I don't care what this marica's talking about, bro. ESR's not that gay. He's not that gay. I'm thinking about Sam Smith. ESR is not that guy, bro. Nunca sabe nenhuma pucaria, bro. I don't care. He ain't good enough, bro. He ain't good enough. How about that? Instead of all you man saying, oh, these are the same man, yeah. This Sam Smith and all these top gooners are the same man saying, oh, Havertz, he's the missing link. Oh, Havertz, he can play as a 10. He can play as an 8. He can play as this. He can play as a striker, the filo da puta. Then they go to, oh, no, he's an impact sub. Cala boca. These are the same men are telling me, oh, you should apologize to Nketiah after scoring a hat-trick against Sheffield United. Yeah? Where's he been since? Where has Duchesne been since? Yeah? In the morgue. That's where he's been, bro. Duchesne got shot and he's in the morgue, bro. He's in the box. That is what he's doing, bro. In the box, no movement, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? Bro. I don't need to listen to Sam Smith and listen to the pucaria, bro. These men chat rubbish. Just